She's from Liverpool. It's not the dark model, by the way. No, it's a girl from Liverpool. Genre is acoustic. Naomi is a Liverpool-based singer-songwriter, sound engineer, and a music journalist. So she's quite busy. Debut EP is out at the moment. It's called My Heart, and that's available on iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon. The track I'm going to rate you with tonight, guys, is called Inner Child. It's a very nice song. This lovely harmonies on it. Just a good, straightforward acoustic number. Sometimes that's all that's needed in it. Got a great voice as well, Naomi, and she writes some great songs. Do check it out on her official website, guys, www.naomicampbellmusic.com, and find it also on Facebook. Let's face it, that is where we go to track things down now, isn't it? Do have a listen, guys. This is Naomi Campbell with Inner Child. If you like this, get onto our Facebook page, give it a share, and let's get it back in the chart next Thursday. On May the 11th, the Boston Shakers will be headlining The Cavern, a headline show from BBC's Introducing Dave Monks. If you'd like to win 5 tickets to this very special show, next time you hear us play Black Magic on Round Sound Radio, please inbox us. Black Magic to Round Sound Radio.
TheBostonShakersMusic.com.
Righty, up next we have Shakedown Stockholm. The band consists of Joanne Kettle, Davina Kettle, Danny Smith, Ryan Howell, and Harry Woodrow and Day John. They're from Winsford, a dual female fronted band from the north of England. A few nice things have been said about these from the big boys, I shall quote: a great young band. That's Johnny Marr from the Smiths saying that about them. A bluesy Fleetwood Mac, balls of rock and roll. That's Alan McGee, founder of Oasis and Creation. Some very, very nice words being spoken. they've got like two sets of twins in the bands, and they create some kind of cosmic pull with these being on the stage. You know, it's different. They have more like magic than Yori Gell and Bloody Dynamo combined. I choose these as my number one favourite, said Maxine Mallon at BBC Introducing. Yeah, some very, very nice words indeed going on. The track I'm going to blast for you tonight, guys, is called The Way You Love. Hits you off from the start, this song. It's upbeat, it's nice, it's gritty, it's got a bit of a bluesy feel to it. Has a lovely, lovely vocal on this track as well, and very well penned. Nice obvious chorus also. A very bold and tight track. Great outro to this tune as well. Really, really enjoying this. It's absolutely brilliant. For bookings, guys, get in touch with them. Email them at shakedownstockholm@hotmail.com. Absolute belter this, The Way You Love.
Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
Yeah, I had a cracking night last night. I went down to see Hegarty and the Rainbird. There's a few other bands as well. I didn't catch the name of them all, although I did talk to one of them I thought was really good, giving me my number and my card and stuff, so I'm sure I can't even remember the name of the band. I was that pissed. But yeah, I had a cracking night. The Johns were there. There's loads of people there from the bands, you know. It's really nice when you go to these gigs and you get to meet so many people. But we ended up at, it made me laugh. We went into this chippy with Chris from Hegarty, and we just having so sweet, you know, and there's like loads of food left over, and I thought, I turned around to him and said, look at this, look at the waste here, there's so many people around this city hungry, begging and sleeping on the streets, and he just sort of looked at me and he goes, you're right. So he grabs all this food, right, and he's legging it around town trying to find the homeless people to give this food to. Didn't have a great deal of luck at first, but he finally found some guy, and when he offered him the food, I believe he just looked at him like he's just asked him to shit on him. It was really, really funny night. I had the ball. And of course, Hegarty took the roof off. They were missing a drummer as well, because Wacker went down to Wembley to watch Everton. We won't say any more about that, so I'm sure he's very unhappy about that. But you know what? They pulled it off, mate, and they smashed it, and it was a good gig, and everybody in there was saying, wow, these lads are brilliant, aren't they? In fact, to be honest with you, I think they got more love than the Rainbird did. And the Rainbird are a pretty big band, so I'm not sure how that worked for them, but anyway, there you go. It was a cracking night. Up next, guys, we have Gavin Hayes. Now, Gav's from Wallasey. He's a 45-year-old singer-songwriter. He was born in Wallasey and still resides there. When he was younger, he played in a few local bands. He enjoyed playing places like the Floral Pavilion. That's a nice gig. In more recent years, now he can be found playing the local gig circuit. He's a soul performer, soul lover. It's just one of Gavin's original songs. This is the song he sends in for us tonight. As well as writing his own songs and playing his own instruments, he also produces all his own music in his home studio, so he's very active that way. A really funky number, this. Very bluesy, this from Gav. It would work well. I think it's sort of like an 80s movie. It's got like a real retro vibe to it going on. It's nice. Very well produced. You know, decent tune, man. Decent tune. Give it an ear, guys. Don't forget, if you like it, give it a share, give it a listen. Tell your mates, dog.